Morning, I'm Catherine Boyson. I'm at Sasbo head office. I work in the tele-recruiting department. Alongside me is my colleague Giselle Conradi, who is head of our legal. Giselle, very interesting. Last week I had a staff member calling in to say that she would like to join Sasbo, but she was not a member as such. And she indicated to me that she needed a representation at the same time. And I told her, well, I don't think we will be able to represent you because you're not a member in good standing. So if you could maybe just, how do we go about doing representation if it's a non-member?
Okay, thank you very much, Kathy. Foremost, it is very important to note that non-members may not be represented. It's only when you're a member in good standing and you have joined the union that you can actually be represented. Why I'm saying that is because attorneys are not permitted at the CCMA. Therefore, you need a good, dedicated union like Sasbo's legal department to represent you at the CCMA.
Thank you. Now, I know recently there was a very interesting case with a Standard Bank employee.
Absolutely.
Please,
very
could you tell us about that?
I would gladly tell you about it. It's the case of Morodu versus Standard Bank, and we acted on her behalf. It was during the COVID, and obviously we had very strict security measures. You had to wear a mask, there had to be social distancing, people were not allowed to touch each other. So the branch manager decided she would like to uplift the morale of her staff. She was thinking, what shall I do? She decided that they each got 5,000 Rand to say thank you for the hard work that they've done during the COVID period, and they all decided to have an office party. Great, wonderful office party to uplift the spirit, make the people feel at home again, to uplift the productivity. So it happened that she placed this and posted this on her WhatsApp video. Then there was an anonymous complaint. But that anonymous complaint was not from the public. It was not from a customer. It was internally. So how could you place the bank's name in disrepute if it's not in the public domain? And what happened was Sasbo, wonderful. We went to the CCMA, fantastic team, fantastic preparation, went in there, sat down and prepared this case. You know, Catherine, that we won the case successfully because we proved that her dismissal was substantively unfair, the bank was inconsistent with the discipline, and the sanction was too harsh. She was reinstated into the same position as a branch manager or a similar one. She got 3 months back pay, and she's only going to get a final written warning. Now that's the reason
a real
why you should belong to a union, because of good representation.
That is a wonderful story to tell our members. Thank you very much.
Thank you.